I'm very sorry, but do you know why I was sneezing? Because I wanted to tell you why we sneeze. My name is Suhana Gupta and I am the owner of Suhana Little Rockstar. Remember to subscribe my channel, press the bell button and even give a nice big thumbs up. Do you know why we sneeze? If not, don't you worry, because in this video I will tell you why do we sneeze. So let's start. So, what is a sneeze? A sneeze is a natural way for our body to take out things that irritate our nose. So, what could be those things? There are plenty, but I will tell you some examples for now. It's like dust, pollen, and even your pet's hair can irritate your nose. Why do we sneeze? Because the dust, pollen, and your pet's hair irritates your sensitive part of your nose that gets tickled or irritated. Then it sends a message to the special part of your brain, and then the brain sends a message to all the body parts that need to work together to make a proper sneeze. There are a lot of things. Even though you think that it's only a small little thing, it won't need much, but it needs so many things. Like your eyes are forced shut, your tongue moves at the top of your mouth, and then our waist muscle, chest muscle, and even our vocal cords and diaphragm. When these all work together, only then will you get a perfect sneeze. Understood? If not, there's another fun fact I want to tell you. That some people sneeze even when they come in light. Have you noticed? No, the sunlight cannot irritate the nose. Obviously it can't. So what happens? Actually, the sunlight acts as if it comes, and some bodies who don't have the habit of the sun find that it is not good for the body, so it tries to take it out. Since the sunlight's air is also there that you breathe in, and then the nose finds it like it's unusual, so your body might sneeze. People like these are very sensitive for the light. This is why subscribe my channel, because every time I send you a video, you will be able to see it and get a lot of knowledge. We'll have some fun also, but since now on I'm going to tell you about fun facts and a lot of knowledge things, you'll understand a lot. I'm serious, you'll understand a lot. Then think, you'll be smaller than the others, but know the largest knowledge. Won't that be good? If you want this to happen, then remember to subscribe so that you see my video. And what do you have to do? Exactly! Press the bell button, do subscribe, and even give me a good thumbs up. That will encourage me to give you more videos so that you get more. The more thumbs up I get, the more videos I will be encouraged to make. Bye.